Blessed is the man who trusts in the Lord, whose trust is the Lord. He is like a tree planted by the water that sends out its roots by the streams, and it does not fear when heat comes, for its leaves remain green, and is not anxious in the year of drought, for it does not cease to bear fruit. Jeremiah 17:7-8. Okay, it's a gorgeous evening. It's about 6:40, and I gotta work on these sprinklers. So I added some soil here, and when I did so, I had to disconnect that. And when I disconnected this, I broke it. So I've got a bucket of items here. We're gonna dump it out, see if I can find pieces to repair that. And I'm taking you along for the ride. Crimping tool. Well, that's pretty frozen. That's going to need some WD-40. Now would be a great time to like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch. Fixing and living on a farm here, eh? Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm going to pull this out. That guy. I'm going to reuse this, but cut that off. This guy, it's just a barb here, and that barb will fit in. Take the other side, push that guy in. Take this, snap it back in, and I'm just going to put this on top of there. And then I can stake those down with some metal stakes. Once that's up on top there, I'm just going to take some of these metal stakes and just stake that down. You can do that on both sides. And that'll just stop it from the lawnmower, destroying the black pipe. So that one's good. Now we're going to move on to the next. So similar issue with this one. So I put some topsoil on this. Oh, but it looks like I was able to keep it in there. So what I could probably do is just fit that up inside like so, and then I'll just pin it down, and then that's good to go. I put dirt around these. They were dying back every year, and I think adding that dirt really helped out. We'll see. Check it out. Okay, let's go turn on the drip line and check it out. I'll give you a quick tour. So it's really simple. So I've got a hose here. Turn that on. The hose is going across. Connected up here. I did put another valve here. The neighbor wanted to water his orchard. And then I have a shut-off valve here. You'll notice one drip line going over to this tree right here. The line comes down, comes across, and I'm going down, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. It's actually quite a bit. I didn't think it was going to be able to do that, but I went to the irrigation place and they said, yep, no problem with the amount of water we're pumping. So it's coming out. We can see it right here. See that? So this is the first time I've turned this on since last fall. So we're going to do a quick walk around and make sure everything's working. So it looks like we got a leak on that tree, so we'll have to fix that. We're dripping over there, so we're good there. The new one that we just installed is dripping away here. Gonna be good there. Those are gonna be good. Looks like we got a leak on the end right here. So that's losing a lot of pressure, so we gotta fix this one. And these drip lines, this is the blueberry patch. You can see that dripping away. So that's great. You can see it dripping all the way down here. So that's great. We'll fix those two, and I think we're up and running. So I'm going to shut that off. I've got those two to fix. Okay, so I've just pulled that off. That's going to come back around. Clip the ends. I'm just going to push that in, like so. And then we're going to find that hole that it was in and push it back in. Okay. And we're back up and running. I'll put a holder right there so that the water gets close to the tree. And do I care about that side? Not really, but I'll put it down a bit there. Okay, that one's fixed. Off to the last one. So this last guy, we're just gonna pull it out here. Boop. Okay. There used to be a tree here. It died on me. The death of the dirty nail. That's no good, eh? Death of the dirty nail. Okay. So we're going to clip that. Put this guy in there. And since there's no tree for me to go around, I can just push those in. And I'll just take that and I'll plug it into that hole. That doesn't want to go in. I'm not sure why. What's going on here? There we go. Just need a little bit of angle there. Okay, that's in. I can see a little dude right there. Maybe we'll try to get it over there. Just a bit. Okay, now we can turn everything back on. We should be fixed. Okay, we're back up and running, and it looks like that guy's been fixed. Oh yeah. So there's one thing left to do. So once we get into the full season, I'm going to hook up a water timer. So I've got a couple of these I use all over the property, but particularly for that situation, I'll program this so it goes on first thing in the morning or late in the evening, you know, for 20, 30, 40 minutes, whatever you want. These are great. I'll leave a link to these or something similar in the description below. All right, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.